Hello, beautiful people. Good morning. Dzień dobry. How are you guys doing today? I hope everyone's doing amazing. Today is Saturday. Happy weekend. What are you guys doing on a weekend? Let me know in the comment section below. Me, I am ready to go. We're heading to the city today with Leia. She wants to experience shopping in Landers. So we're gonna take her there. Let me just make sure that I have my card, because the last time that we went to the city, she asked me if we can go to Landers, and unfortunately I left this card in another bag because I changed bag, so we cannot get in. It's a membership shopping, and yeah, I finally got it, so we're good to go. She just texted me that she's ready. It's gonna be another MJ and Leia bonding today. I'm actually gonna be grabbing a few things for Sophia's christening tomorrow, so I'm gonna get a few ingredients in Metro. I don't think I could find it in Landers. Most of the stuff in Landers are international and mostly in bulk, so we're also gonna go to Metro. And what else? I need to get candles. My goodness, I was telling Leia that our bonding last time let us forget that we have to get candles, which is one of the most important things I needed to get. Yeah, we just had so much fun talking, catching up, and all that. So anyway, I'm ready to go now. The time is 9 a.m. I grab little breakfast. Wait, my seat is not very comfy. Okay, that's good. I think we're gonna grab breakfast as well. We'll see. Scarlett is at the convent because they are giving away city. Hala! OMG! Your house looks good! Mommy's house looks good in the inside. I have not vlogged that. Like, they're actually finished. Look at her. She's dancing. Mom is there. We're gonna go there later. We're gonna check how's it looking, okay? It's looking good from here. Oh, see? You just need skim coat and that's it. And you have to paint the cabinet white. Okay, bye. We made it here in Landers. Welcome to Landers, madam.
It's my first time.
Gonna be having breakfast. I've actually eaten breakfast, but this is her breakfast here. She's having chicken roll up with bacon. It's looking good. We have here lemonade. We're sharing this one. What's this white thing?
I don't know. It's something like jelly.
Jelly. And then I have here pizza, 4 cheese NY pizza. Bon appetit. Smacznego. Let's eat, everybody. So we're having breakfast first before we go shopping. Well, we're not gonna do a lot of shopping. Everything here is in bulk and pricey. I'm just letting Leia experience.
We'll have to try this one.
Lingkuye. That's a lot of cheese. I can see the bacon. Oh no, with cheese pulled up the eye. I'm gonna try also. Epic fail. I like yours better because it's very hot. This mine is not.
It's not?
I can't believe there's Nando's here. Dito na lang ta sa metro. Ito tayo, kita naman lagi na ni Tiyan eh. Dito na. You're done in Landers finally. So Leah Marie, how's your experience in Landers?
It was good.
Good?
Yes.
Do you like it there?
But being your...
What? I got a few items from there, but most of the stuff that we needed for the christening is available in Metro. So we are driving here in IT Park. In fact, we're here. We're about to get in Ayala Mall, Central Block. We're gonna grab some ingredients. Yes.
So you just brought me there just to experience the wonders.
Yes. I'm the best friend ever.
Thanks for that. I appreciate that. So
So
that's why.
yes.
That's why I'm the one who pushed the
What? The cart?
yes, the cart.
Because it's total experience.
Nagkuhan ba ways? Nagkabo na to. Thank you, thank you.
Oh, mga bata.
Okay, thank you.
Ang dami. Hello? 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 Hello, Daniel! Hello? Hello, everybody. This is the moment that we have been waiting for. Finally, we have come to this point where I'm going to be sharing with you the newly tiled floor of Mom's house. I am so happy. It's finally done. But actually, it's not yet done. And this is because they did not put the tile grout yet. We ran out of time. My uncle had to return to his boss already, and Anton and the other guy. So they've left the tiles without tile grout, but Mom's gonna work on that. She's gonna do it herself. I think it's easy to do that. She can do it. Anyway, guys, I am so excited to share with you Mom's new floor and kitchen and everything else in between. Let's go get inside. Here it is. Ta-da! Wow, look at this space over here. Look how nice it is. It is very organized. It is more spacious. And wow, I just love it. Can you guys recall how this floor, walls, the area, the kitchen was looking before? It was totally different and it was so messy, so chaotic, very unorganized, but now it looks good. So as you guys can see, I don't even know where to start, but let's start right here. This is the very first time where I have seen Mom's countertop like this, because you know what? It was so chaotic in here last time. There were so many plates, so many stuff everywhere, but now look, it's empty. She has a working space where she can cut veggies and do all her ingredients. And we have here just like a few pots here and there, and we have here the cooktop. And I just love that there's nothing above, because it looks good. And now I actually appreciate the color blue. Look, it's nice. I'm so happy. Okay, here I gave Mom a drain rack, so that's good. She's using it. See, we have water dispenser over there. And then the other thing where I'm so happy about as well is actually the cabinet. So let's take a look in the bottom. As you guys can see, we have here 6 doors for Mom's cabinet. So everything that is missing here, she put it on the cabinet. So that's why it is more spacious here, because now that she can close this area, that's where she stored all the pots, the plates, glasses, everything. So that's good. So as you guys can see, we have that. We have here as well, though it's not yet done, because it's actually better if we paint this white so that it would look very nice. But yeah, at least it's not as messy anymore because it's enclosed. Do you guys want to have a peek of what's inside? Let's see. Ta-da! Ta-da! So that's how it looks. But at least it's there, yeah? So this is mom's cabinet, guys. That's good. That's really nice. Okay, now she put her dining table on here, and then we have the fridge in here. It's looking good. I love the floor. It has no tile grout yet. As you guys can see, it's better if we have the tile grout. But yeah, we can even have a chit chat and sit down here, and kids can now play around, they can crawl. I absolutely love the tiles because it's shiny, it looks really good. And then the other thing is, look at here. Look at this section. Look. This is the old sofa that I had. I gave it to mom, and now this is the perfect place to put it because this was actually an L shape. So this is like an inverted L shape. I couldn't do it in the house before. So mom, she did it very good. Look, we can now sit down here and have a talk, have a chit chat. In fact, earlier, mom, sis, and I were here, and Sophia, and we were just like talking and appreciating how's the progress of her house because finally it looks good. It's more organized, it's homey, though it would look a lot better if we paint it white. That's gonna seal the deal. But for now, I'm so happy how everything turned out, to be honest. I'm already very appreciative of my uncle Aten and also Junior, the other guy, for doing a great job in helping putting the tiles and also doing the rendering and the cabinet. Also, mom has a new septic tank and she has the new bathroom. Do you want me to show it to the guys? Is it good? Oh, this is gonna be the first time that I'm gonna see her bathroom, by the way. So let's take a peek how it's looking. Okay, ooh, it's blue. So, as you guys can see, she actually chose this tiles. I love the combination of white and a shade of blue. And then the floor, wow, the floor looks good because before it was not as good as this, and it is very spacious now. And also they added a window over there, so that's nice. Oh wow, that's good. Mom is living the dream. She's happy. Everything is looking nice. I love it. So now every time I'm bored in the house, I'm gonna come here. We're gonna get a red horse with mom and drink. Because now we have this couch, and also we have a nice fresh air coming out from the window. And yeah, it's a sight to behold. I'm so happy. And because of that, thank you so much, guys, for watching the videos, especially the house renovation videos, because that's where the source of the budget for mom's house reno. So thank you so much. Alright, I'm back and we are gonna do a haul of the stuff that I got from Landers first. So I have this bath towel. Looks good, and this was 50% off. So Leia and I had to grab one. I grabbed two because two is better than one. Gatorade, because my tummy has been bad the last few days. So this one is 5+1. I got a plush blanket. This is velvety, soft, very nice. So I decided to get this one because my blanket is so small. My legs isn't covered. So this one is 90 by 90 inches. I'm gonna have to wash them first. And these ones also. And what else? Ooh, this one. The last time we went there, we grabbed this siopao and siopao. And it was very good, so I decided to get it again. We have here Kit Kat, and that's it. Oh, I have here some sugar as well. And I got like 6 1.5 liters of soft drinks for tomorrow's christening. There's that. And then Leia and I went to Metro and I got this box We have here this food tray that we can use for tomorrow as well. And then I have here a bunch of tissue. I have here some candies. Actually, I'm gonna be putting this one on the table as well, just in case kids will be coming over. At least they can grab some sweets and they will be happy and they will not be running around. Pangga, look, you're gonna have to help me with these, okay? These are candies for the kids tomorrow. Yes, you as well. Okay, and then I have here cake flour because we're gonna be making puto cheese again. I have this cucumber, they're so big. I decided to get 3. I'm gonna make cucumber salad. I have here cleaning wipes and creme densada for the salad. I have here beans for breakfast, shampoo, conditioner, and this. So yeah, that's everything that I got from the city. We're gonna put this out. We're gonna go to sis' house because we're gonna start decorating because tomorrow we'll be busy. Good evening, everyone. I'm here at home alone. Well, not alone because Sophia is in front of me sleeping. So earlier I was so busy I could not even turn on the camera, but I cooked dinner for everybody. So we have like 6 people that is currently doing or preparing the lechon for tomorrow, since the christening will finish at lunchtime. So everybody's gonna be eating lunchtime, and if they're gonna prepare the lechon tomorrow, it's gonna finish maybe 3-4 p.m. so that's not ideal. Now they decided to do it tonight, so they're gonna marinate overnight, and tomorrow they're just gonna put it on fire, and at least by the time that we finish at church, then the food is ready. So yes. I'm so tired now. I want to take a shower, but I am taking care of Sophia. Sis is in her house. She is actually doing the decor. Mom got the tarpaulin that I made for Sophia yesterday, and the other one is helping sis as well. They're doing hanging rice or puso for tomorrow, and my hungry uncle over there is doing the budbud. Robbie is calling me. Why is this? Honey is calling me. Wait. Let's answer. Hola.
Hi po, Sir Dong.
Hi, Dong. Alright, I'm gonna end this vlog right here, guys. Thank you for watching.